This is one of my latest designs. That is state machine electronic selector multiplexing switch. And what it does actually, it has a knob. From this knob, you can control the operation and transitioning of operation between various devices instead of having, for example, control panel. From this single knob, you can control operation of various devices. For example, you can control the operation of 3 drones taking videos for 3 different locations, or you can have this knob actually control 3 robotic arms controlling the open heart surgery of a patient, or you can have it, for example, monitor like three many different maybe 100 machines in the factory. You can monitor them, you can control them from one single knob. Okay, this is my latest design. For example, instead of having various buttons, complex buttons, control panel, you just transition. This is off mode. This is off position. If you rotate it to the left, now watch the LEDs. Now those LEDs in here actually, they represent or resemble the operation, activating or inhibiting the operation of those machines or robotic arms, drones, or whatever. Okay, so you take it to the extreme right. Now it's off, and now you go slightly to the left. Okay, and you turn on the first machine. You turn again to the left. Okay, you transition very smoothly to the second machine. You turn to the left and you transition to the third machine. Okay, now go back to the second machine and go back to the first machine and off. It's very simple, and it gives you a like amazing precision and comforting and convenience by manipulating many different things from like by your 2 fingers only. Okay, it's very simple. And what it does actually, it allows you to multiplex operations of various tasks. For example, it allows you to move the control of one machine to another via this single rotating knob, this one here. Okay, instead of using many clickable switches, mechanical switches. Applications include, but not limited to, multiplexing various security cameras over one monitoring channel or screen, operating a robotic surgery arm on various sections of the heart or the brain of patient from one single rotating knob, or manipulating the operation of various drones transitioning between automatic and manual operation while flying in the sky. The applications of this design are limited by your imagination only. Okay, as you see, it's very simple, and it's only using by using your 2 fingers, you can control hundreds of machines. Okay, it's amazing. It's an idea which I was able to bring it into life today, and I thought I will present it to you guys, and I will show you the code which I wrote in assembly language. The assembly code hiding under the hood allows you smooth operation and easy transitioning of controlling various electronic devices and processings from this single rotating knob. Okay, so as you see, now the machine which are resembled or mimicked by this light here. So this is 0, no light. Now first machine is on now second machine is on, third machine is on. Now take them off. Okay, you can control the resolution, and you can, it's very, like when you rotate this knob, it's really very smooth and it's very comforting. So it's very convenient, and it's really amazing. I was like amazed by the smoothness and the convenience this thing can provide to you. Actually, I have written the assembly code. I'm gonna show it to you like very quickly. So this is the assembly code. Okay, this is the assembly code which I have written, and that's where I am right now. And this code actually exhibits the characteristics and behaviors of the circuit which you just saw. Okay, I will show you what this code actually is doing. So this code actually is doing all of those things. Okay, the assembly machine, as probably most of engineers know, most of you engineers know, that has a lot of advantages. It occupies, or it takes a very small code space and very fast. It can go in the MIPS area zone. It's like million instruction per second, maybe 20, 30, or even 60 or 90 million instruction per second. So it's very amazingly fast. That it's nowhere close to the programming of C language or Java or C++. Forget about Java and C++. Assembly code is really amazing, and it's an advantage. It's a plus. It's the power. Assembly, when it comes to those kind of state machines, is very powerful. Thank you for watching.